So what you're gonna do is, I got this A5 Wagyu beef talon from Fat-Works. I ordered off Amazon. So what I'm gonna do is, I'm gonna take a half a cup of this and heat it slowly. And I'm going to add it to a bottle of bourbon to do a fat wash. You can use with bacon grease if you got a half cup of bacon grease, or whatever other fat you want to use, but I am using some A5 beef tallow to do mine with. Alright, I want to check the temperature, right, because it says don't put it in your Alright, so now we got some liquid gold, right? I want to check the temperature, turn it off. And looking on the internet, it says to not put it into your liquor until it's about 150. So I'm gonna let it sit to the side for a minute and let it cool off. So what I did was put it in this mason jar, right? That whole bottle fit in that mason jar. And I believe it should be enough room to put that half a cup also, but we'll see. Of beef tallow. It's kind of hard trying to hold the camera and do this at the same time, but we're good temperature wise. I guess in reality I could just pour it all in this pot, that way I can stir it versus putting it in there. Let's just change it up and do it that way. That way I can stir it. See the oils? I'm gonna let it sit for about an hour before I put it in the freezer, but I'm gonna keep stirring it until then. And it's been set for about an hour. So we're gonna give it one little stir. Then we're gonna set it in the freezer. A little Wagyu strip right there. Makes sense, right? As we can see, it's done pretty much solidified, right? So I'm gonna cut a little small slit in here just to pour. It's pretty thick too. Just to be able to pour it in the bottle. And the color is, you know, kind of a little different, but we'll make an old fashioned with it and see how it goes.